Welcome to the Math Record. Today I'll be covering the ICTM 2021 Division AA Algebra 1 questions 11 and 18. As usual, I'll scroll through every single question if you want to answer these by yourself, and then I'll provide the answers at the end. Okay, so that's all 20 questions. Let's start with 11. When the line 4x plus 3y equals 15 is rotated 90 degrees clockwise about the point 31, the new line has an x-intercept that's k more than its y-intercept. Determine the value of k. So when you rotate a line 90 degrees, that means the new line is perpendicular to the old line. So a perpendicular line has a kind of a trick to find it. All you have to do is switch the coefficients between the x and the y for the original, and then make one of them negative. So switch 4 and 3, so that's 3 and 4, and 4. Now we just make one of them negative. You could choose -3 or -4, it doesn't matter. I usually like to choose the second one, so -4. And then to find the value that's equal to, we need to plug in a point. So we know it has to go through the point 31. So 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 1 is 4. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Now to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So the x-intercept is 5 divided by 3. And then 5 divided by -4 for the y. Okay. Now to find how much bigger the x-intercept is than the y-intercept, subtract these two. So 5/3 minus -5/4. So that's the same thing as adding. So that's 20. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 4 is 12. So that's 35 over 12. And that is your answer for number 11. It's just that simple. Okay, question 18. Two containers of equal volume are filled with a mixture of alcohol and water. The ratio of the amount of alcohol to the amount of water in the two separate containers are 3 to 1 and 2 to 1. If the contents of the two containers are mixed together in one large container, the ratio of the alcohol to water in the mixture is A to B, where A and B are integers with no common factors. Determine the ratio A to B. Okay, so since they're equal, there are two containers of equal volume, that means you just need to work with its proportions. So we just need to find the proportion, that's total proportion, that's alcohol, divided by total proportion of water. So that's our A to B. So for our first container is 3 to 1. So that's alcohol to water. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So out of 4 of them, 3 of them are alcohol. And out of the 4 of them, 1/4 is going to be water. Now we do the same thing for the second container. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And 2/3 of it is going to be alcohol. And then 1/3 of it is going to be water. And it's just a simple calculation from here. 3 times 3, 4 times 2, that's 8 plus 9, that's 17, over 4 times 3 is 12, divided by 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 times 3 is 12, so 17 divided by 7, or 17 to 7 is our answer, because the 12s will cancel out. And that's your answer for number 18. And that's basically it. So here are all the answers for this contest. This contest wasn't particularly that difficult, as I just showed two of the, I believe, was one of the harder ones. And then in the next video, I'll be covering the geometry questions. Thanks for watching.